All right, I got another unboxing here. I just like to continue to play with tools found on Amazon, and I have this one. So this is from a company called Hardell, and it is a rechargeable engraving pen. And so this is used for a variety of different crafts, but clearly I want to use it for glass, and specifically for signing my glass. So I have this one that I bought on Amazon a while back. It had some tips to it, but it's battery powered and the battery's dead, and it was always just so. It wasn't awful, but I saw this one and thought I would give a new one a try. And what I like about this is that it's rechargeable. So let me move this stuff out. Let's see what this, I cut myself while I was working earlier, which is why I'm wearing the glove. Okay, so this is just a little Allen wrench to stick in to your pen. This is what looks like the rechargeable pack for the batteries here. And then here is the pen. So it is truly pen size. So there are a variety of, or a number, I should say, of tips in here. So I'll open those up and insert one into here. I'll tighten it with the Allen wrench. I've got the battery here that needs to be charged, so I'm going to work on that. And then I'm gonna give this a shot and see how it works. So signing your glass is really important. I think signing your art is important, and this is an easy way. I mean, you could get out a Dremel or some other rotary tool, but I like to have something just handy at an arm's reach and be able to take care of that. And I just etch in my initials, and then often a year, sometimes just my initials. It kind of depends. So I'm going to get these open. It seems a little tight here. I'm going to get this open, and I'm going to charge up my battery and see how this thing works. It works like a pen. There's the on-off switch. So stay tuned. I'll get this all set up, and then we'll give it a shot. Okay, I'm back. So I have the battery charging over off camera here. I got this tube open. I'm going to be honest, it took a lot to get that tube open, but I got it open. And there are 6 engraving bits in here. And if you can see, 3 of them have a very pointy little tip to them. 3 of them have like a tiny little ball tip. So I'm going to use the ball tip version for testing out a kind of a signature, but just wanted to show you the different kinds. In addition to the Allen wrench, there are some extra screws in here just in case you happen to lose this tiny one that's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and install one of these, and when the battery is charged, I'll put it all together and we'll try it out. All right, so I charged the battery. I wish that this had like a USB plug-in where it was an internal battery and you just plug the whole pen in to charge. That's not the way this works. It had this little, it actually has what looks like a battery. Now it is a lithium ion battery, but it looks like a standard battery. And you put that into the charger and plug this in to charge it. So that's an extra step. But you know, it's fine. And so once this wears down, you'll need to charge it. But all you do is press on it, just like a pen. Pretty easy. I've already put the bit in here. Again, I'm using one of these little ball end bits that they had. I tightened it down with the little Allen wrench that came included. And so now I'm going to test it out. So what I have here, oh wait. This is, pay no attention to this. This was a sample I did from a different video, but this is white with clear. So I just want to see kind of what effect it gets on clear, because this is, you know, an example of the type of firing you do, maybe with a clear layer on the bottom. This is just these are samples from a pen video, marker video I did a couple of, I don't know, months ago at this point, but this is white, a little turquoise, and a little black. So I want to test it out and kind of see what it looks. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. See what it looks like. So let's do it. So I don't know if you can. Yeah, I think you can see that fairly well. It actually did a fairly nice etching. I didn't like rush through it. I went kind of slow. But as a little signature, because this is clear with white behind, you can almost see a little shadow from that. I'm going to try to go a little faster. Okay, so even faster. I like that. I wish it was a little easier for you to see on video, but I don't think that's too bad. I think you can see that. Let's try it directly on white. Okay, so it's there, but it's kind of hard to see. So, yeah, there, but a little difficult to see. You know what? I'm going to try something here, just out of curiosity. This is a Milwaukee black marker, similar to a Sharpie. I wonder, can you basically fill that in and then wipe it back off? Let's see. One moment, please. I have no idea if this is going to work. We're going to learn together, but I'm just going to spray a little bit of that. Kind of works, although it leaves a little bit of a halo. I just need to rub better. Yeah, I don't know if I would do that again. Maybe. It's not too bad. I have an actual Sharpie. Let's get a thicker one and do that first one that I did. I don't have to go that big. I could have just traced my signature, but I was just trying to make a point here. Yeah, that's not too bad. So a little bit more cleanup, but not too bad. So that's one way to see it on black. Now, let's go after the turquoise here. I often like to do my name and the date, the year. So I don't know if it's hard for me to see on the camera if you can see that well, but I am good with this. Now, it is totally personal preference. Once I make it wet, it starts to disappear even more. But let me try to dry it off here a little bit. I'm pleased with that. That is a good enough signature for me. I bet you see it better on the black. Yeah, you see that really well on the black. That's nice. That's nice. So you could do the same black Sharpie trick on there if you wanted to. I was thinking, gosh, could you even take like a silver Sharpie? But I don't even think you'd need to do that. That turned out pretty nice the way it shows up on black. So there you go. I hope you found this interesting. There is, I'll put this in my Amazon store, and I'll put the link in the video notes on YouTube. So if you're interested in this, I do get a small commission for your purchases through the Amazon, but I thought that was pretty nice. I like this. It's a little sleeker than kind of this old school one that I had. It has a rechargeable battery. I wish it were an internal battery, but still it's a rechargeable battery. That tip worked fairly well, at least for a couple of signatures. Hopefully it will last a good long time. And there were 3 more like this, and then 3 more different ones. I'm not going to try them right now. But there you go. And, you know, it was cheap, $25-ish. It always depends on Amazon when you're looking and what the demand is. But about $25, not bad at all. So hopefully you learned something in this and enjoyed the unboxing there. Take care, everybody. Catch you later. Bye-bye.